Hi, and welcome to the Fox Tech campus, home of Fox Tech High School, Cass Tech High School, and the Advanced Learning Academy. I'm Principal Kathy Beezer.
And I'm Jennifer Benavides, Principal at Fox Tech Magnet High School. Our SAISD bond program will have a profound impact on our campus. Here inside the main building, our iconic Central Mall is getting a complete makeover, including the addition of a learning staircase, new flooring, paint, and lighting, plus acoustical treatment.
But that's just for starters. 13 classrooms are being added, along with 2 maker spaces to allow for creative exploration. 7 new science classrooms are being converted into lecture or lab spaces. The cafeteria has moved to the ground floor for easy access between all schools.
Other improvements target heating, ventilation, air conditioning, restrooms, roof, and security. The bond is combining Fox Tech's legacy
with a new world-class learning environment for our students.